Welcome to the review tutorial of Evernote at URI. In this video, we will cover some of the key points of the first few videos and address some questions you may have about using Evernote. Evernote is a storage and organizational tool. It can help students stay organized and make more meaning of the information you store in your personal knowledge base. You do not have to use Evernote to type notes during your lecture. If you feel more comfortable writing notes in a notebook, you will be able to scan these notes into Evernote later. Next year, when you may need information from one of your courses, you shouldn't have to look through your piles of notebooks, when you can just go through a stack of your Evernote notebooks from fall 2012. The Web Clipper and Evernote Clearly are two similar applications or programs that take information from a website and add it directly into your Evernote notebook. Evernote Web Clipper is a web browser extension, or add-on, that you install from the Evernote website, except for those using Windows computers. For a Windows computer, the Evernote Web Clipper is automatically installed into Internet Explorer when you install the Evernote software. Evernote Web Clipper is also compatible with Firefox, Chrome, and Safari web browsers. Evernote Clearly is currently available as an extension for Firefox. It essentially does the same thing as the Web Clipper, but does a great job at hiding away all of the distractions on a web page, such as advertisements or related articles. Evernote Clearly can be used as a way to read an article or web page without distractions, and can also clip that distraction-free web page into Evernote. One common issue with the Web Clipper is that sometimes all of the content is not clipped into Evernote correctly. This happens when the website is not compatible because of embedded advertising or formatting. Using Evernote with Sakai is an example of this problem. When you try to clip a web page directly from Sakai, you will find that it does not work. We're looking for a solution to this. In the meantime, I recommend copying and pasting or taking a screenshot of the information that you want to save into Evernote. Evernote's a great piece of software, especially since it is available on so many different devices. Whether you have a Mac or Windows computer, maybe an iPhone or another type of smartphone, or rely on public computers such as at the library, all of your Evernote notes are available to you. The downside of making Evernote available on all electronic devices is the fact that these devices are so different. Therefore, the Evernote software will look different on each platform. In this example, the Evernote software on a Macintosh computer looks different than the software on a Windows computer, though features for both softwares are the same. If you are ever stuck trying to find a specific feature in Evernote on your electronic device, I recommend that you start by visiting the Evernote website. Here they have a list of frequently asked questions. If your question is not answered on this site, try a quick Google search, which includes the question or topic you want to learn about, as well as the Evernote version that you're using. If you still can't find what you're looking for, please feel free to contact the Curriculum Materials Library at the URI Library, where there are staff trained to help you with Evernote. Evernote is secure. Your information is not shared unless you choose to share it. However, there is an additional step you can take to secure your most personal information. Though it is not recommended, some people choose to keep very personal information in Evernote, such as account numbers or passwords. You may add extra protection to any text in a note by selecting the text, left or command clicking it, and clicking Encrypt Selected Text. You will then be prompted to create a password. Do not forget this password because there is no way for you to recover it if you do. This password will allow you to uncover the text that has been encrypted or hidden, as shown below. However, as with any information you put online, it is never 100% safe, as someone could steal your password. But adding encryption to your most private information will give you one more added layer of protection, but it is not needed for things such as class notes or school projects. That is it for this tutorial. Please continue to your Evernote wiki site for details on your next assignment.